youngsters and the students who will study here, you have this opportunity which nobody else will have, because the foundations that you will lay is going to ensure the future of not just the university, but the future of our state, as mentioned by our education minister. We are with you to support you in every way possible. I know we need huge investments. I'm not saying I can do all of it in one go, but we will work hand in hand, overcome the challenges that come ahead of us, and we will make sure that we make this university a shining example, not just in our state or in the Northeast region, but in the country as a whole. I wish you the very best. I congratulate you on taking over as the VC. I thank the colleges today who have come for affiliation, and I appeal to the rest of the colleges. In the last 4 years, we were able to exempt our colleges from CUET exam. But now that we have our own state university, this exemption will not be there anymore. Any college who is affiliated to NEHU, the students who will apply to those colleges will have to give the CUET exam. But if you are affiliated to Captain William Sangma State University, you will not have to, or the students will not have to give CUET exam. This is the difference. And we are not forcing you. We can't force you. It is your choice, as said by San Borshulai. It is your choice. You can choose to affiliate to NEHU, or you can choose to affiliate to Captain William Sangma University, State University. The difference is only this, that with Captain William Sangma State University, you will not be required to give the CUET exam during admissions. But with NEHU, you will have to give the CUET exam. And we will not get exemption anymore in the future. So I urge the colleges, please take this opportunity and affiliate with the university. We will make it very easy and very simple, and I urge the VC to ensure that we make it as smooth as possible without much problem to the colleges to start affiliating with our university. Kasara Perpingrang tentang mansa ya sal anjing sakkan cinan Garo Hills sa nokja, ande ba Meghalaya State ni plak citizen na men usio ani kachani aro nokopay solko matelani sal aro sumay ong tsumota. Dalo bulsi sotponga katam ni Jaman. Actually, Meghalaya State University ko, atangni University ko dalo matninga. Yan ang ben nagsina sa kantinan kung siyo ani o tsumota. Ya State University rang ko matnachi, dagdang colleges rang, ya University baksa, affiliate ka na, chol ko matgen, aro sini chadambe rang ba? Dagdang course rang ko, subject rang ko, poray na, ya Captain William Sangma State University ni true, chol ko matgen. Bakbata sumayo, namgapa university, namgapa college rang dongjanya sel. At sini chadambe rang, dagdang biap rang chi, state niya apal chi, riang na nangatun. Hayda ya plak kun nga, balsisa ni gisepo tung tangat na matgen ani akan say nga. Ande bada alo ya plak ko tung tangat na. Ya university ni true. Dalo tsunga ya nam gappa foundation ko sungaha. When ikman makanchi, jen salo ka sen Tentang colleges yang affiliate kak gen. Tentang courses